Hey guys, Remy Surfs here, and today in this video I'll be teaching you how to wax a surfboard. For waxing your surfboard, you'll need a base coat, which before you drill at me, no, I don't have a proper base coat, but for this video we're going to be running a 5 times hard sex wax. And then you'll need your top coat, which we are running the 4 times firm sex wax mid to cool. Okay, so first of all, you want to get your wax, the base coat, out of the box. And this is what I like to do. There's many different ways to wax it, but I like to go around and sort of trace where I'm going to be waxing. Now that I got a trace, you still go in with your base coat and you want to do like little lines right across on a diagonal. I'm not doing it too clean because I'm just showing you like the rough idea, but if you take time, it looks a lot better. But make sure you use the corner so then you got like a fine line. And then once doing thin lines, I like to go in a lot thicker with some lines, so like I use the whole side. And then after that, you just want to go in and do it on the other angle. Okay, after that, still with your base coat, you want to go in and do like nice little circles right along the board. This is where your bumps are going to start coming in. And then, once the little circles are done, this is just what I like to do. I don't know if anyone else really does it, but I like to just do nice vertical stripes going up and down the board. And then after the vertical stripes, just some horizontal. And now that the base coat's done, this is where we go in with the top coat. So with the top coat, you just want to just cover your board. And then that right there is the finished product.